Friends, my name is Sarveshwar, and today we'll discuss how to make a PDF file that consists of suppose 10 or 20 firms graph in itself. Uh, okay, simply I take an example. First of all, I need to make set my working directory and just take all the files there and just extract the name of the files from that. So here I can see I have in tickers 42. These are the tickers. These are the 42 firms I have in my sample. But out of these 42, suppose in the first PDF file I want to just make a graph for first 10 firms only, like from ACC to Coal India. I want to make a graph, and for each firm first I need to know what is there. Suppose one file I have this is a file that consists of spot and futures prices for high frequency level, that is per minute data point for 3 years. So here I have data from the January 12 to December 14 per minute data point for each firm for spot and futures synchronized. So I want to make graph for each of the firms. How to do that? We need this. Sometimes a journal wants a PDF format files. So this is the way we can do that. So now we start the task of this video, how to make PDF of these 10 files, 10 firms on a single page. So I'm using PDF function, and then this is my output file name, uh, A4 size dimension. I need to mention width and height of the page in inches. It can be customized. Then what should be the window of that PDF, like how many rows and columns there for images. So 5 by 2 I have taken. You can take anything the more you want. So I have 10 firms, so I want to use 5 by 2, like 5 rows and 2 columns. Then the margins, and for each cell, what should be the margin for each graph. So I'm just using this PDF function, then giving the dimension of the plot layout, and then its margins, then margins of each graph inside. And then just I'm using for loop because I want to make for 10 firms, so I will just use for loop. It will run 10 times and make graph for these 10 firms. So in my file I can see here we have sport and futures. Sport is second column, future is third column. So for second column one line, for third column one line, by using line function. So I'm using two function, plot for plotting, line for adding one more line to this plot. These are simple functions, so I'm using for loop and just run it. And it may take some time because it's 1 minute data for 10 firms, so some 5 seconds may be required. And then I will just put it off by device.off, dev.off, and this file will go in current working directory that I have set and run. So now this file is over. So now we can see this file has gone to the current working directory. This is my current working directory. If I open this, I can see these are 10, like for ACC, Ambuja Cement. In this way, for all these first 10 firms, I can make 20 graphs on a one page. So this is the way I can make graph for these 10 firms. If I want to look at a small size, uh, I need to just so we can see like all 10. So it looks awesome. You can send it to a journal. In this way, we can make multiple graphs on a single page in PDF file using R. Thanks for watching, friends. Keep watching.